Creditor hearing is so called because your creditors have an opportunity to appear at this hearing to ask any relevant questions in your bankruptcy case. It is also called a 341 hearing because Section 341 of the Bankruptcy Code provides for the establishment of this hearing. Every person who files a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy, with some exceptions, must attend the creditor hearing. At this hearing, we will meet with the bankruptcy trustee, who will ask various questions regarding your bankruptcy. Most of the questions the trustee may have will be provided by the documents we present to the bankruptcy court. Although the creditors may attend this hearing, they are not required to attend. In most cases, you will not personally meet a creditor, as they usually deal with our office directly. We advise that you attend the 341 hearing at least 20 to 30 minutes early so that you can meet with the bankruptcy attorney and review the important issues in your bankruptcy.